Every animation you see in After Effects, from YouTube introduction to cinematic motion graphics, is built using just 4 simple animation principles. Learn these 4 and you will be able to animate almost anything. Okay, so in the last video we have learned how to import files and organize them inside the project panel. Now that our media is inside a composition, it's finally time to make it move. In this lesson, you will learn the 4 animation principles that every After Effects project relies on. Once you understand these, creating smooth animations becomes much easier for you. So inside After Effects, almost every animation is created using one or more of these 4 properties. First is position, moves an object from one place to another. Second is scale, which makes an object larger or smaller. Third is rotation, which spins or rotates an object. Fourth is opacity, which controls how visible or transparent an object is. And that is it. Whether you are creating logo animations, text reveals, lower thirds, or transitions, you are constantly using these same 4 properties. So let's look inside After Effects. Here I have a simple composition with 4 animated shape layers. Each layer demonstrates one animation principle. In the timeline panel, click the small arrow next to a layer. Then open Transform. You will always see these properties: anchor point, position, opacity, scale, and rotation. No matter if you are working with text, images, videos, or shapes, these transform properties are always available. This is where animation happens. So let's check them one by one. Position. This layer only uses the position property. Notice the object moves from one location to another while everything else stays at the same. Scale. Here only scale is animated. The object grows and shrinks without changing its position. Next is rotation. This layer only animates rotation. The object spins while staying in place. Next is opacity. Opacity changes how visible the object is. It smoothly fades in or fades out. Simple but incredibly useful for professional looking transitions. Now let's preview the composition. Just press the space bar and you will notice each object is animated using just one property. In real projects, you will usually combine multiple properties together. For example, an object can move, scale, rotate, and fade in at the same time. That's how modern motion graphics are created. Now here is the secret behind every animation in After Effects. Every animation is controlled using keyframes. Select your layers and press U on your keyboard, and this instantly reveals all animated properties. These little diamond shapes are called keyframes. Think of them as checkpoints. Each keyframe tells After Effects exactly how an object should look at a specific moment. After Effects automatically creates the movement between those keyframes. That's what makes an animation possible. Master these basics and you will have the foundation needed for almost every animation you create in After Effects. And that's all for today's video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll meet you in the next one.